Alright guys, so this is part 3 of my Amazon gift card haul. So if you haven't already, you definitely want to check out my previous part 2 and 1s, which I had went over to discuss the ones that were in tin and also the ones that come in these fancy boxes. But now in my part 3 video, this is the final one of the haul series, I'm going to be discussing gift cards that come in these cool envelopes, and then at the end of this video I'll put everything together and pull out the ones I thought were the best. So the first one up is a more holiday theme with snowflakes of different backgrounds throughout. It has a little ribbon here so you can use it like a gift bag. I think that's what it's trying to resemble here. It has a nice little turquoise bow tie. It's really sweet. And then opening it up is actually really interesting. It has a Velcro securing it, and then when you open up the flap, you reveal the Amazon gift card, which is also very tastefully matching the exterior, which is very nice to see. So this is definitely one of my favorites for sure. This next one is resembling a gift box, so it's kind of a gold box on the top with a nice ribbon right in the middle. It's a little off center, but it's alright. Pulling it up is a little bit unfortunate. Not only is it not as smooth as the other mechanism, but we also got a very plain black Amazon gift card, unfortunately. This next one's got a little jingle to it. Again, a little gift package design. It has little bells at the end of the bow tie. And then pulling up this gift package, unfortunately we're gifted with a very ugly looking Amazon gift card that's a plain white and a big fat Amazon logo. This next one is a little bit more simplistic. It's an envelope with a flat bow tie in the front. It's silver, it's shiny, it's pretty nice looking. You open it up and unfortunately you're greeted with a very plain, once again, black Amazon gift card. Now these ones do start at lower denominations at around $10 to $15, and you can of course increase that value as you please. So I can kind of understand the kind of less pompous design. Now veering off the envelope kind of structure, this is a tag, and I was a little bit wary of this, that's why I only chose one to test it out. It's a little thank you tag, and on the back you can simply put the recipient on there and also your name. And inside it's a very plain Amazon gift card, though I believe this one you can actually customize to choose the design, but this one's also really cheap to just start with. And then speaking of cheap to start with, these start at $10 and you can pick different kinds of tones. You can see I have a kind of classy brown one, and again on the back you can put in the recipient name. This one does come with a little bit more interesting design even though it's very plain, and it obviously has a big fat Amazon smile right on the front. This one is a nice yellow Amazon card. The navy blue envelope style has a more classy, simple one with a white card with a gold smile. And then the final one has the exact same card design as the first one. And then the last one I have to show you comes in a pack of 10, and I got these in $10 denominations, so this is nice if you wanted to hand it out to multiple people. Say if you're a teacher and you want to give it out to kids or something like that, or raffle gifts, this is a nice one to go. And it's a very nice red and gold design with snowflakes, so this is kind of a little bit more holiday or wintry themed, but it's red and gold as opposed to blue, so it's a nice little twist to it. Opening it up is the same way as with the other 3 Amazon styled envelopes, and then inside you have a pretty nice classy white and a shiny red swoosh smile right there. Inside envelope design has even more snowflakes for days. So that's the very last card in my haul here. So now I'm going to pick out my favorites, and here they are right before you on the table. So I have a couple from each category. I have one from the tins, and I have this box one that I really like, and I picked these all because the card matches the exterior very well for the most part. So you see I picked the snowflake tin just because that card you can't really get separately, and then who can leave out that graduation cap? That's just awesome in itself. And man, that birthday card, that one is just takes the icing on the cake for that one. Even though I'm not too big of a fan of this particular gift envelope one with the plain Amazon gift card, but that pop-up design and bell is pretty sweet. Then for this holiday gift bags one with all the snowflakes, just love it, and I really like the Amazon card design. Same thing goes with this red and gold snowflake pull-out box and the luscious fabric that it sits in, just to make it look a little bit more upscale, even though it's just a $50 Amazon gift card. So there you have it. That is all of the gift cards right here sitting on the table. Really cool, unique designs and really cool packages. I think this is really great. If you guys are interested in any of these, again, I put the link in the description so you guys can browse through and see which one will fit your needs. Thanks for watching the series. I'll have the links to my previous 2 videos at the end of this video if you guys missed those.